Hello, friends! Welcome to our animal adventure. Today, we're going to meet 20 amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's make animal sounds together. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk. This is a lion. It is called the king of the jungle. This is a dog. It loves to bark and play. This is a cat. It says meow meow. This is a monkey. It swings from tree to tree. Great job! Can you roar like a lion? Roar! This is a tiger. It has orange and black stripes. This is a cow. It gives us milk. This is a horse. It runs very fast. This is a sheep. It has soft, fluffy wool. This is a goat. It loves to climb rocks. This is a rabbit. It has long ears and hops. This is a bear. It loves honey. This is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. This is a zebra. It has black and white stripes. This is a kangaroo. It hops and carries a baby in its pouch. This is a panda. It loves to eat bamboo. This is a fox. It is clever and quick. This is a deer. It has beautiful antlers. This is a crocodile. It has a big mouth with many teeth. This is a dolphin. It is smart and loves to swim in the ocean. Yay, you did it! You learned 20 animal names today. Let's say goodbye to our animal friends with a big cheer. Bye-bye, animals.